So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick, canvas, select proper aspect ratio, move to the end and import the second clip. Tab on plus, video or photo, suppose this one. Select the second video, adjust the size and position. Tab on same clip again to unselect. Now for transition, at the joint of two clips, as you can see there is a white dot, press on it. Here we have multiple types of transitions. The first one in each category is free and the others are for paid users. Now select the transition you want to apply, then we can see the preview. Lastly, we can control the duration of the transition by using this slider and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.